friend of mine asked me what I thought of the Harbor Freight Predator engines. About 2 years ago, I bought a log splitter off of Craigslist for $100. Had a motor that didn't really run that well. Instead of trying to fix it, I just went and bought a $100 Predator, I think it's 200cc motor, and installed it on my MTD Log Splitter. Again, this motor is about 2 years old now, and it's been great. Let me show you. Here's the log splitter covered up. Hasn't been run maybe 6 months or so, but it did fit pretty well. I had to add some wood for a riser. That's the only thing that was a little different on this. But the coupling matched up once I raised it up. Everything else worked fine. Again, like I said, I had to just add a couple blocks to raise it up and then bend up this bar there a little. I'm going to show you how it runs. Alright, I'm just going to give it a few pulls on this just to kind of get the fluid moving through it a little bit. Like I said, it hasn't been started in probably 6 months or something. Alright, so I'm going to choke it. Let it warm up a little. And not enough.